Confidence Plus cleaning solution from MSA is recommended to clean your SCBA as it cleans, disinfects, and will not deteriorate rubber, plastic, glass, or metal parts. Don't use alcohol as it may deteriorate rubber parts. If the SCBA is heavily soiled, clean with a mild soap solution and a damp sponge or a soft bristle brush. Inspect the entire SCBA as it is reassembled. Typically, only the facepiece requires cleaning and disinfection after each use. Remove the regulator from the facepiece before cleaning. The head harness can be left on or removed for separate cleaning. To clean and disinfect manually, mix a solution of Confidence Plus solution. Do not use cleaning products containing hydrocarbons or solvents. Submerge the facepiece for a minimum of 30 seconds using a soft brush or sponge for soiled areas. Rinse the facepiece and components in clean, warm 110° Fahrenheit water, preferably running and draining. Operate the exhalation valve by hand to be sure it works properly. Flush the exhalation valve assembly with clean, hot water to make sure that all residual soap and contamination has been removed. Manually operate the exhalation valve by depressing the stem with a blunt, dull object. Be careful not to damage any rubber components on the facepiece. Shake the facepiece to remove residual water. Using a soft, lint-free cloth, dry the facepiece inside and out. Allow the facepiece to completely air dry by resting it on the facepiece seal before placing it back into service. Also, perform a face seal test after every cleaning, disinfection, and maintenance.